Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia and today I'm going to be deep cleaning our bedroom. As you can see, it is a complete mess. So if you are ready for some cleaning motivation and would like to see how I transform this room back to looking normal again, then please keep watching.
I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all.
So typically I like to start by decluttering everything before I even start to clean. So I go around the room, find anything that can go in the trash right away. Also picking up any bottles, cups, plates, things that need to go downstairs to be washed. And then we always have a bunch of clothes laying around. So then I like to go through and just throw everything into the laundry basket. As you see I'm doing here, I'm going through my gym bag that I take to work every week and taking out all of the dirty clothes so they can be washed. This is laundry day, so if you guys seen my laundry routine, then you know that I do laundry all in one day.
A little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. I'll stick like
Once I'm finished putting everything away and decluttering the room, now it's time to tackle our closet a little bit. I did do a little bit of shopping and I just put everything in the bags and dropped it right in front of the closet. So now you see me just putting everything away, putting all the boxes away, and I've really been looking for a better system to organize my shoes where I could get rid of the boxes, but I haven't found anything just yet. If you guys know of anything, please leave comments down below and let me know what works for you. So now that the whole room is decluttered, the deep cleaning can begin. So I start by moving my nightstand as well as Nick's and cleaning up anything that might have fallen behind or underneath it. And then I'm going to move our bed away from the wall and really get a chance to get behind there, see what's back there, and give it a good clean.
there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. If only me touch me, I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
It's been a while since I really dusted our baseboards, and I found this mitt. I believe it was from the Dollar Tree, and it makes dusting so much easier. And then I'm going in and wiping it down with the Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose cleaner.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you.
Next, I'm heading over to the infamous chair that collects everything. This is going to basically be our dump chair. You come into the room and you put everything on it. So I'm going through, taking everything off, and then getting the massive amount of pile of mail that Nick never likes to go through. Let me know if you guys have your spouse who literally likes to hold on to mail for some odd reason. But I'm going through, decluttering all of that, throwing things away, and really just trying to figure out where everything goes so I can finally get a chance to go in and vacuum. Once I'm finished putting everything back, I then go in and wipe down his nightstand, and then I'm going to head over and tackle this little black shelving unit that we got from IKEA, because that also tends to collect a lot of crap as well. For me, multi-purpose cleaners make cleaning so much easier because it's just one product that you have to use throughout the whole entire room. So really, that's all I'm using to clean up everything.
Back it again. Coaster ride for the drink good minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care.
So once I removed the mirror, there was this big dark spot on our wall, and I think it was probably from candles that may have been lit. So I ran and grabbed my Mr. Magic eraser, which did the trick and was really able to get the whole thing off. If you ever have any stains on the wall, or your kids like to draw on the wall, then definitely go to the Dollar Tree and pick up the Mr. Magic erasers. They are absolutely amazing, and the only thing you need to do is put them underwater. There is nothing like putting on a good show when you're trying to clean. It just makes the whole process go a lot quicker. And I'm starting to move our dresser away from the wall so I can really tackle the baseboard behind there. Guys, I cannot even believe how much dust and lint and everything that was back there. It was absolutely crazy. So I got a chance to finally vacuum behind there, clean the baseboard and all of that stuff. I also need to go in and really update our baseboards. In any older home, it could look raggedy really quick. So I need to go in and definitely spray down the baseboards to give it that nice bright white feel again.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next week. Bye.